Welcome back to Real Talk Motivation Channel. The 2027 BMW Vision Motorhome is not just another luxury RV. It is a futuristic rolling mansion designed for travelers who want the comfort of a five-star hotel, combined with the performance and prestige of BMW engineering. Built on an advanced electric hybrid luxury platform, this incredible motorhome brings together modern technology, premium craftsmanship, and the sporty DNA that makes BMW famous around the world. As the vehicle approaches, the first thing you notice is the aggressive BMW kidney grille, illuminated with crystal LED lighting. The sleek aerodynamic body gives the motorhome a sporty appearance, instead of the traditional bulky RV look. BMW designers focused heavily on reducing drag, improving stability, and maximizing energy efficiency. The front fascia features laser headlights, active air vents, and a futuristic light signature that immediately makes the vehicle stand out on the road. The 2027 BMW Vision Motorhome measures nearly 32 feet long and rides on large 24-inch aerodynamic alloy wheels. Hidden side steps automatically deploy when the doors open, while the panoramic smart glass windows can switch from transparent to privacy mode with one touch. The exterior paint options include alpine white pearl, frozen black metallic, deep ocean blue, and a stunning champagne silver finish exclusive to the flagship edition. Under the hood, BMW offers two powerful drivetrain options. The first is a twin-turbo hybrid V8, producing around 720 horsepower, while the second is a fully electric dual-motor setup, delivering approximately 850 horsepower with instant torque. The electric version can travel nearly 500 miles on a full charge, thanks to BMW's next-generation solid-state battery technology. Fast charging allows the battery to reach 80% in under 25 minutes. Despite its size, the BMW Motorhome delivers impressive performance. Adaptive air suspension, rear-wheel steering, and intelligent torque vectoring help the vehicle feel surprisingly smooth and stable, even at highway speeds. BMW engineers designed the chassis specifically for luxury touring across the United States, making long-distance travel quieter and more comfortable than ever before. Inside, the cabin looks more like a luxury penthouse than a traditional RV. The dashboard features a massive curved 8K OLED display stretching across the front cockpit. BMW's latest iDrive system includes advanced artificial intelligence capable of learning driver habits, controlling climate zones, adjusting ambient lighting, and even planning travel routes based on weather and charging availability. The driver and passenger seats are wrapped in premium, sustainable leather, with heating, cooling, and full massage functionality. Crystal controls, real wood trim, and brushed aluminum accents give the interior an ultra-premium atmosphere. Voice commands allow occupants to operate nearly every function inside the vehicle without touching a button. Moving into the main living area, the 2027 BMW Vision Motorhome offers a spacious luxury lounge with reclining smart seats and a hidden 120-inch 8K cinema screen. A premium Bowers & Wilkins surround sound system transforms the cabin into a private theater experience. The smart glass roof provides stunning panoramic sky views during the day and turns opaque at night for privacy. The kitchen area includes a fully integrated induction cooktop, AI-powered refrigerator, built-in espresso machine, microwave oven, and luxury marble countertops. BMW even includes smart cabinets with automatic soft open technology and hidden storage compartments throughout the interior. The master bedroom offers a king-size floating bed with memory foam technology and adjustable comfort settings. Ambient lighting automatically changes based on time of day to improve sleep quality. The bathroom features a rainfall shower, digital mirrors, heated floors, and touchless controls inspired by luxury spa resorts. One of the most impressive features is the expandable slide-out system. At the push of a button, sections of the motorhome extend outward to dramatically increase living space when parked. BMW also designed a rooftop lounge package with outdoor seating, solar charging panels, and a retractable entertainment screen, perfect for camping under the stars. Safety technology is another major highlight. The 2027 BMW Vision Motorhome includes Level 4 autonomous driving capability for certain highways in the United States. Advanced sensors, LiDAR cameras, and radar systems constantly monitor the road, allowing semi-autonomous travel with minimal driver input. Emergency collision avoidance, lane positioning assistance, night vision detection, and intelligent parking systems make driving this giant luxury vehicle far easier than expected. BMW also focused heavily on sustainability. The interior uses recycled materials, eco-friendly fabrics, and renewable energy systems. Solar roof panels help power interior electronics, while the intelligent climate system reduces unnecessary energy consumption. Now let's talk about pricing. The standard hybrid version of the 2027 BMW Vision Motorhome is expected to start around $450,000 in the United States. The fully electric flagship edition could reach nearly $700,000 depending on customization and luxury packages. Special first edition models with exclusive paint, upgraded interiors, and VIP travel features may exceed $850,000. BMW plans to offer several trim levels, including the Executive Touring Edition, Performance M Package, and Ultra Luxury Signature Series. Buyers will also be able to personalize nearly every aspect of the vehicle, from interior materials to entertainment systems and exterior styling. The 2027 BMW Vision Motorhome represents the future of luxury travel. It combines cutting-edge technology, powerful performance, sustainable engineering, and world-class comfort into one extraordinary machine. For travelers who want to experience the open road without sacrificing luxury, this futuristic BMW motorhome could become the ultimate dream vehicle of the future.